What is up, everybody? This is Ethan here on Wimpy Kid Day at Camden Yards. We just saw the truck. I'll play you that. Wait, now let's get in the stadium and try to find Jeff Kinney and maybe Hope was the clown from the last video I made 6 months ago.
Giving away good deals, training residents on Oracle's perfect share, and also contracts.
Look, they got it on the screen. We got a pencil and we got this soaking up stories. You can scan the QR code. I don't know if I'm allowed to give you it, but here you go. Happy Flag Day, YouTube. It's being built, everybody. There it is, y'all. They have a ton of them. Guys, I just got to shake Jeff Kinney's hand and tell him that I'm going to his bookstore this July. It felt great. I am super excited about this game, y'all. I think I have video of it, so we're gonna show that video now. Cars of MSNBC Roblox's nightly news is gonna premiere in a few days. We're gonna use that cool like, little AI, Studio One A's screen by the window, and show that clip right now. Hey everyone, due to video editing reasons, I will not get to use MSNBC Roblox graphics to show you the photos I got with Jeff Kinney. I have to normally do it because of the video being rotated like this. So I'm so sorry that you cannot see those graphics. They will be coming soon. Peace. Back to the video I meant.
The best fans in baseball. Let's make today a great
1 second.
And let's go O's.
New this season, fans can enjoy it.
Take your picture, buddy. You want to take your picture? Stand right there. Thank you, sir.
We are going upstairs, everyone. Whoa, it feels weird recording and not holding on.
I want to get in this too. Come on. There he is now, bud.
It's Jeff Kinney, everyone.
Available on Richland Street in the Upper Deck near Lake Plaza. Visiting stations can be found at gates A and H.
Emotional damage caused by her unlawful eviction. Well, city workers and it's rational. I said, she got the rental permit and the fact that he hasn't paid any custody support or child support or whatever's going on. But what I recommend is the only Virginia lawyer I've ever seen if you make law and it's above law. I can't tell you who else I know in Virginia.
Oh, lighting. What about lighting with no some ditch?
She's trying legal money. She is just there for people who can't afford to pay bucks.
That was harder than it should have been.
Ladies and gentlemen, this is the first pitch. To the first celebrating the last year of baseball to the millions of readers of our Kinney honors this afternoon with the Maryland Needle, University of Maryland alumni, best-selling author of the Tornado Kid series, Jeff Kinney. All right, Jeff, we know you're the striker and a cartoonist. Now let's see you throw a strike. Whenever you're ready, it's your pitch.
He did it, yo! He did it!
And yes, ready pitcher. We thank Jeff Kinney for going out today's ceremony of first pitch and for joining us for the time. recognize that third base number 23, Blaze Alexander. And your pitcher this afternoon, number 28, Trevor Rogers.
The game just started, it's 0-0, and we are going to go inside of a store and check out the stuff. And maybe buy something, maybe. But we're not doing any giveaways. Now, let's go inside the store. Do they not have what I'm looking for? They don't. Guys, I was gonna try on one of those things, but they don't have it. Instead, I guess I'll be a cheerleader. No. We're going to the bird bath section very slowly.
Take your picture, buddy. You want to take your picture? Stand right there.
Hey everybody, this is another one of these recap moments. I just wanted to say that it is the same scene you just saw, but it's supposed to be a different one because when we went back over there towards our seats, we still saw them selling the book. So I didn't record that, so I just wanted to use the other scene to like simulate that. And I didn't record much in the other scene. I mean, after that, so you're gonna see some photos. Then you're gonna like cut to the 7th inning, past the 7th inning. Now, peace. Back to the video. Guys, they moved it over here. Everyone, what you just last saw was me finding the Wimpy Kid van after the game ended. We're back here locally now. This was the best game. Now we're gonna go and end the video in a good way. I'll show you a good way to end the video. Pause the video! Pause the video! Welcome to behind the scenes of how I actually got the Devil Wimpy Kid Deluxe Edition book. Because if you watched my new Orioles video, you might have seen that I did not receive it from like an Orioles employee or Jeff Kinney at the game. It's because I got it from a Barnes & Noble.